Can you spot all 7 advanced English phrases hidden in this story before I explain them at the end? Let's begin. My first date. Last Friday, I was going on my first date. I was really looking forward to meeting her. But to be honest, I had butterflies in my stomach. I spent almost an hour choosing the right outfit. I wanted to make a good first impression. I reached the cafe 10 minutes early. I checked my phone at least 20 times while waiting. Then she walked in. She smiled and said, "Hi, sorry, I'm a little late." The moment we started talking, we instantly hit it off. It felt like we had known each other for years. We talked about our hobbies, our favorite movies, travel, and future dreams. The conversation flowed naturally. There was never a dull moment. Without even realizing it, time flew by. It felt like only a few minutes had passed. When it was time to leave, I said, "I had a wonderful time today." She smiled and said, "Me too, we should do this again sometime." As I walked back home, I couldn't stop smiling. It turned out to be one of the best evenings of my life. Now let's see if you spotted all 7 advanced English phrases. If you learned something new, subscribe for more story-based English lessons.